This video is going to show you how to register for your courses for the 2018-2019 school year. All students are required to request those courses sometime during the registration window. The registration window opens on January 29th and will remain open through Wednesday, February 7th. The process for requesting courses is the same that has been in the last couple years. The first step in that process is to log into your Skyward Family Access account. The login information will be your standard login information. So for the login ID, you will use the first letter of your first name, first letter of your middle name, first three letters of your last name, followed by your graduation year. The password information is going to be your student ID number with the 2 zeros in front. Once you've logged into your account, you'll want to look at the list of options on the left-hand side of the screen, about halfway down, and find the Schedule tab. You'll select that Schedule tab, and it'll bring you to a screen where, if you notice in the upper right-hand corner, it says the course requests are now open, and it allows you to click on the link for Request Courses for the 2018-19 school year. You'll click on that link, and it'll bring you to a screen with two boxes. The box on the left-hand side contains all of the courses that are available to you. The box on the right-hand side will contain the courses that you've requested. Obviously, right now that box is empty because I haven't yet requested any courses. The easiest way to search for courses that you would like to request is going to be to use the search box in the lower left-hand corner. Every one of our courses has a 4-digit course number associated with it. What you're going to do is type that 4-digit course number into the box. So for instance, if I'm hoping to sign up for Advanced Comp as a senior year English option, I'm going to type in the 4-digit course number associated with that class. I'm going to hit search. If I've done it correctly, that should be the only course now that's showing up in the box on the left-hand side. I have to highlight that course and then click the Add Course button in the middle of the screen. When I do so, that course is now going to move to the box on the right-hand side, and it will start to tally my requests, showing that I have one request. Since English is a year-long requirement, I have to also sign up for the second semester of that course. So I'm going to go down again to the search box. I'm going to type in the 4-digit course number associated with second semester Advanced Comp. I'm going to hit search. If it's the correct course, I'm going to highlight that course, and I'm going to click Add Course. And then I'm going to double check to make sure that I now have two requests and that both of those are the requests that I intended. You're going to continue to do this until you've completed all of your requests. For students going into 8th and 9th grade, your total number of requests, once you're complete, is going to be 15. For students going into grades 10, 11, or 12, your total number of requests must equal 14. So once you feel like you've requested all of your courses, you'll want to double check two things. One, you'll want to double check your total up here to make sure that you're either at that 15 for students going into 8th and 9th grade, or 14 for students going into 10th through 12th grades. And then just double check the courses that are listed in your selected courses box to make sure that you've selected the correct courses. We also ask that every student puts in 3 alternate requests. We will always do our best to get students into their first choice courses. However, sometimes with master schedule and class sizes, that just isn't a possibility. In that case, we want to know what your next best choices would be. The way that you're going to do that, if you look at the middle of the screen, is you're going to click on the Request Alternates tab. When you do so, all of the boxes that you've requested, the courses that you've requested will remain in the box on the right-hand side. However, now they show up having an R in front of them, meaning requested courses. So you're going to add your alternate electives in the same way that you added your requested courses by using the search box and the 4-digit course number. If I'm looking to add photography as an alternate request, I will highlight photography, click Add Course, And it's actually going to be added to the very top of my selected course box, and it's going to have a number in front of it. When you are finished requesting all of your alternate electives, you should have 3 courses listed there. So I'll go ahead and add one more. We'll add ceramics. And you'll notice when ceramics transfers over, it transfers over to the second slot. If for some reason I change my mind about the order that I'd like my alternate requests to be in, I simply have to click the arrow in front to move the courses up or down to get it in the order that I intend, with my first choice elective listed first, my second choice alternate elective listed next, and then eventually my third choice below that. Once you have a total number of 14 requested courses and a total number of 3 alternate requests, you've completed the process. This system automatically saves your request, so there's nothing special that you need to do to save that. You can simply X out, and that information will be there. At any point, you can go back and double check your requests or make changes to your requests, as long as it's during that open registration window time, which again runs through February 7th. If you have any questions about the process of registering for courses for next year, please feel free to reach out to your guidance counselor. Thank you for your time and attention to make sure that we get accurate course requests for every student.